as a special guest on the nature show, we've got a special French guest from all the way from France.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our nature show. So today we should be roaming through the woods, discovering some of the most incredible creations of the earth.
Yeah, that's right. Let's get going now. Oh my gosh, a feather!
I think it's from a bird.
Oh, absolutely right. And that's us.
Oh, I think I got bitten by a tarantula.
Let's get him out of here then.
My hat!
Here we are, back in the forest where he got injured by a tarantula.
A stupid little tarantula.
Let's
now
go.
I have recovered. And I've come to see the secrets of nature. Yes. I think that is an escargot.
Absolutely right, an escargot. Let's get it. And that is the way you should treat nature, respecting it. And now my companion's broken his bow. What shall we do?
My daddy
We're gonna
uses
have to
this
escort him out of the forest.
Now I have fixed my bow and I've come back to the stupid forest that always annoys me. But this time it shall happen well.
Of course not, mate.
Let's go.
I think this is a bear cave.
A bear cave.
The bear cave, as we can deduce from this cryptic marking on the wall, name is Beerwater.
Prehistorical marking. This is incredible. We have found a prehistorical marking on the wall. What is this? A button. Wonder what happens if I press it. Ding dong. The bear's coming!
Oh, get him!
That is in my face! God!
I'm gonna destroy the bear bite. I'm gonna have to cut off his ear. That's where the bear's infection is. My Frenchman is finally recovered from his cut-off ear and we're ready to venture back into the jungle.
Yes! Let's go! These Australian people, always scared of everything and always messing up. An ant!
And that's it with your French nonsense. And that's the end of the nature show for this week.